Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
वेर्ना IDCतल्या कार्थुसाकर पी युजेस प्रेशियन मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग कंपनी शेणवारा फातोडे उजो लागलो. उजो पालोवपी दळ वेळार घडणूक थळार पाविल्ल्यान व्हडले अपघात टळ्ळे. ह्या प्रकरणा उपरांत IDC असोसिएशनाचो अध्यक्ष कल्पक आवरेची प्रतिक्रिया.
But the learning from this whole incident is that whether really such ordnance factories should be given permission to have their setup within the industrial estate. आता इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेट म्हणटकच कितें आसता की वी हॅव व्हेरी डेन्स कंपोजिशन ऑफ युनिट्स. एका युनिट तेकून आनी एक युनिट आसता आणि दीज युनिट्स नॉर्मली आर हायली एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेटीव आणि खुबशे कामगार लोक कामाक बी आसता. आणि ऑर्डिनन्स फॅक्टरी म्हणटकच कितें आसता तेंचो वेअरहावस म्हणून आसता आणि तेचे टेस्टिंग सेटअप म्हणून आसता आणि दीज आर ऑल एक्सप्लोजिव्ह मटेरियल आणि हायली इनफ्लेमेबल मटेरियल्स. सो that way the government has to take all these things into consideration, and whenever they are given permission, even if they want to have it in the industrial estate, they should be given a secluded place wherein there are no units around, or there are very few units which are not employing at a high scale, because if there are human presence around, there could be fatalities. So these things have to be considered, and even if say they give that unit a place, then probably within 500 meters or a kilometer area there should not be any other unit there. So it takes care of the safety.
प्रुडंटा खातीर विक्रम नाईक.